After deep reflection and an honest assessment of where we are and where we need to go, I have decided to step down as the head coach of the Jamaican national team.
This was not the ending a grieving nation hoped for. The passion for football runs through the veins of its people. It binds communities, fuels dreams, and heals wounds. Football isn't just a sport here, it's a lifeline. And it was supposed to be a worthy distraction, carry Jamaica through its pain. And for a while, it did.
We are 3 hours away from kickoff, and the crowd piling inside the National Stadium, looking ahead to this big matchup between Jamaica and Curacao. Yep, they know that 3 points is a must. Jamaica needs to win in order to qualify for the World Cup next year. And the Jamaicans are hoping for anything, any good feeling to cling on to in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa ravaging the southern and western coasts 3 weeks ago.
Hours before kickoff, the National Stadium pulsed with anticipation. Jamaicans from across the island and across the world came to Kingston hoping to witness history. It was a must-win match, 3 points. The World Cup felt close enough to touch. And the venue, which was nicknamed The Office during the successful 1998 World Cup qualifying campaign, was packed to capacity for this appointment. 35,000 strong. The biggest we have seen in decades. Every vantage point overflowed. Fans climbed railings, perched on walls, no spot too risky if it meant being part of this moment. But the first half delivered only tension and missed opportunities. The second half brought more anxious expressions as time slipped away. The Reggae Boyz rattling the woodwork 3 times. Then came Dejon Whisper Richards. His name rolled through the stadium long before he stepped on the field. As a substitute, he changed the energy instantly and came heartbreakingly close to rewriting the story. Deep into stoppage time, the stadium erupted. A penalty awarded after his brilliance, a heartbeat of hope. A nation rising to its feet, rejoicing. But a minute later, VAR crushed the moment. No penalty, no miracle. And the dream slipped through Jamaica's fingers. The faces at full time said everything. This country has leaned on sport through some of its darkest days. But on this night, the Reggae Boyz fell short. There was only silence, only pain.
Right now, you look at Whisper, it took so long to put the play in, and an immediate impact. Every time the player goes on, it's an immediate impact. So for this guy to not give Whisper 10 minutes, it shows he doesn't even care about winning. He don't feel it like how all of us feel it. He gets up, he puts on a play, then he goes home to his home and he's happy.
So hopes dashed at the very end. The scoreline 0-0. Jamaica unable to qualify directly from this group to the 2026 FIFA World Cup. There is still an opportunity though, but it will be a more difficult passage.
Jamaica will play alongside Iraq, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Bolivia, Suriname, and New Caledonia in an intercontinental playoff for 2 spots to the World Cup, their final hope. But McLaren will not be there.
It's really from the heart. So I want to speak directly to the Jamaican people, the fans, here and abroad, the players and everyone who has the Reggae Boyz at heart. Over the last 18 months, I have given everything I have to this job, to this role. I carried the weight and the pride of this job with the deepest respect. Leading this team really has been one of the greatest honours of my career. But football is a results business. And tonight we've fallen short of our goal, which was to qualify from this group. It is the responsibility of the leader, myself, to step forward, take accountability, and make decisions in the best interest of the team for them to go forward. After deep reflection and an honest assessment of where we are and where we need to go, I have decided to step down as the head coach of the Jamaican national team. This decision comes from respect, always the respect of the badge, always the supporters and the players. And tonight I think I best serve this team by stepping aside and allowing someone else to take this team forward, which I know they'll succeed in March and in the future. There's so much talent and ability on this island and in the diaspora that it's only a matter of time. Things are developing, that they will succeed. So I thank you, Jamaica. I will be forever grateful to have led the Reggae Boyz. It really has been an honour. Respect and one love to you all. And hope in the future to see you in the World Cup. Thank you very much.
So there you have it, an emotional Steve McLaren announcing his resignation as head coach of the national football team. And it comes as no surprise, having fallen short at this final hurdle. A lot of us thought that this was the easiest passage the Reggae Boyz they have ever had to qualify for the greatest show on earth, and that they fell short is really damning in the end. As far as the immediate future of the Reggae Boyz is concerned, no one knows right now, but surely the grief, you can feel it here tonight inside the National Stadium.
The Englishman took no questions because there were none he could truly answer. He returns to Europe, as he did after every international break. This time, he leaves Jamaica's shores for good. I asked Jamaica Football Federation President Mike Ricketts what lesson he takes from this failed campaign.
Probably the ball is round. Take no team lightly, because I thought.
You thought we did? You thought we took teams lightly?
I think so. I mean, even Trinidad. The last time before this game here, when we played Trinidad, I think it was in the Nations Cup, we beat them 4-1. So we probably would have come with a mindset that, I mean, based on our ranking, based on previous results, that we could beat these teams. I mean, if 5 years ago you had said to me that we will be in a group with Trinidad, Curacao, Bermuda, I would definitely. If we come here, if someone said to me you will play Curacao in the last game, I would say, well, we're a shoo-in to the World Cup. Not quite so. And what happens is that every single team now is catching up, because every team now seems to be getting the requisite support and, of course, coaches around the world now. I mean, Jamaica is a prime example. We have a coaching education program that has produced some good, bright, excellent coaches.
Maybe you look into that next for
I
the next head coach?
probably will.
The Michael Ricketts administration now faces intense scrutiny, and so too does the sport itself. Football failed to lift the nation, but in the wake of Hurricane Melissa, Jamaica once again aims to rise from the rubble, with the world bearing witness.